This is insane. Absolutely stupidly insane. So we got the AYANEO, AYANEO, AYANEO next to, okay, $2,300 for this bad boy. Comes with the AI plus 395 chip, 64 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte for $2,300. And when it comes out, it's going to be $2,700. This is the early bird special. I can't say I'm surprised, right? Because this is like the pricing of everything nowadays. But when it comes to handhelds, especially once you get into the power side of them, you're looking at stupid pricing. Like, obviously, you got the Xbox Asus Xbox ROG Ally X, which is $1,000. You got the little brother, who's like $600. You obviously got the Steam Deck, which is, let's be honest, the king. Steam Deck OLED, the king at $550. Then you got the Win 5, right? You got the Legion Go S, right around $1,200, depending on which version you get. And that's already insane prices. I think the Win 5, I want to say, is like $2,000 or something. Like, even that is insane prices. At some point, why not just buy a PC? And I understand the concept. The Win 5 is $2,100. Okay, that's what we're talking about. At some point, just buy a PC. And I get the point of, it's like, well, you want to have the handheld, you want to have the mobility of being able to get up and go wherever you want, come back, right? And if you don't want to be tethered to a setup. But it's just like, bruh, that's insane. Who looks at these things and thinks, yeah, that's for me? And I guess, there is a market out there. There's always a market out there. And these actually do have the AI Max Plus 395 chips, which, looking back at this is the, AI... Hold up. This is the AI Plus 395. So this is the Max chips. On Win 5, it has it as the Max chips. That doesn't. Okay. It's interesting. Here's another thing that a lot of people are bringing out is the fact that, let me see real fast. 4.5 out of stars. Where's the delivery date? Because people are saying for this one, there is no guarantee. It says June 2026, but that's not a guarantee that you're going to be able to get it in June 2026. And yes, by the way, the other version is $1,800, $2,000 base. $1,800, you get it in June 2026 as well. This is 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte polar black, and then, yeah. So, and it obviously has a lesser chip, which usually how these work. But what I was trying to see is there any release date for, I mean, if I buy this right now, right, is it going to tell me when I get it? I guess you would have to go through the cart and check out and all that kind of stuff, but I don't know, man. I am torn. I am torn between this stuff. Just insane. Insane stuff across the board. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Would you spend this much for a handheld? Like, I'm sitting here thinking, like, okay, I got the PlayStation Portal, Steam Deck OLED. I got a modded Nintendo Switch. Don't sue me, Nintendo. It's for educational purposes only. Whatever that means. Like, I see these ones and I'm like, bro. I was thinking about picking up the Asus Xbox ROG Ally X. I was honestly thinking about picking it up because that does look really cool. And you can actually add an external GPU to it, which makes it even better. Even though it would be bottlenecked by the actual CPU. But I look at these and I'm like, bro, there's no way. There's no way in heck. In any circumstance. And you're not even guaranteed to know when you're going to get it. What if you just don't? I mean, I know they have, like, the actual, like, you know, obviously you're buying the brand, but still. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.